Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the stages or phases of business cycle. First of all, what is the business cycle? Business cycle is also known as economic cycle or trade cycles. Is the downward and upward movement of gross domestic products around the long term growth trends. The length of a business cycles is the period of time containing a single boom and contraction in sequence. These fluctuations typically involve shifts over time between periods of relatively rapid economic growth and periods of relative stagnation or declines. In business cycles are usually measured by considering the growth rate of real gross domestic products. In the business cycle, despite the often applied term cycles, these fluctuations in economic activity do not exhibit uniform or predictable periodicity. This is the stages or phases of business cycle. First one is the prosperity stage or phase. In prosperity stage, means the expansion or boom or upswing of economy. Simply means in business cycles means second one is the recession phase, means the from prosperity to recession means upper turning points. Then third is the depression phase, means contraction or downswing of economy. And last one is the recovery phase. Recovery phase, in this phase from depression to the prosperity, lower turning points. In see the diagrams, first one is the recovery, then prosperity, and highest level is the peak points. After that, the recession and the depression, the stage is drop. Then also the business cyclical fluctuation is continuously process. First one is the prosperity phase. In this prosperity phase, when there is an expansion of output, income, employment, prices, and profit, there is also a rise in the standard of livings. In the phases prosperity phase are high level of output and trades, then high level of effective demands. In prosperity phase, high level of income and employments, rising in the interest rate, inflations, large expansion of bank credits. In prosperity phase is the overall the business optimism. In prosperity phase, the high level of marginal efficiency of capital and investments. Next one is the recession phase. Recession phase is the turning point from prosperity to the depression, is termed as recessions. Simply means during the recession periods, the economic activity slow down when the demand starts continuously falling to overproduction, and future investment plans are also given up in the recession phase. In the recession phase, there is a steady decline in the output, income, employment, prices, and profits. The businessmen lose the confidence and become pessimistic, means negative. It reduces the investment. The banks and the people try to get greater liquidity, so credit also contracts. In recession phase, the expansion of business stops, stock market falls. in order to are cancels and the people start losing their jobs. In recession, the increase in unemployment causes a sharp decline in income and aggregate demand. General recession lasts for a short periods. Then depression phase. In depression phase, when there is a continuous decrease of output, income, employment, prices, and profit, there is a fall in standard of living and depressions. In this depression phase, the fall in the volume of output and trades, also fall in income and rise in unemployments, decline in consumption and demands, fall in interest rates, in depression phase, in depletions, then contraction of bank credits, means overall business is negatively, the fall in marginal efficiency of capital and investment. Last one is the recovery phase, means it is a turning point from depression to the expansion is termed as recovery or revival phase. In this recovery phase, the period of revival or recovery, there are expansion and rise economic activity. When demand starts rising, production increases, and this causes an increase in investments. There is a steady rise in output, income, employment, prices, and profits. In this recovery phase, the businessman gain confidence and become optimistic. This increases investments. In this phase, the investment brings about the revival or recovery of the economy. There is an increase in employments, then production, income, and aggregate demand. Prices and profit starts rising, and recovery phase, the business expands. Recovery slowly reemerges into prosperity, and the business cycle is continuously repeated. Thank you.